Big news! OpenAI has made the AI video tool Sora free to use with no time limits. You don't need a subscription, but creating an account takes a few careful steps. In this video, I'll walk you through every step so you can set up your account perfectly and avoid any mistakes. At the very end of the setup, you'll need a special access code to activate the full account. I'll be giving that code to 4 viewers through a small giveaway. To enter, simply like this video and leave a comment. I'll run the draw 24 hours later and message the winners their codes. Watch the tutorial, follow along with me, and good luck. One of those codes could be yours. To create your Sora account, you'll need a few extra tools. Don't worry, I've shared everything you need in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You can grab them from there easily. I'll also announce the giveaway results right there. Now let's get started. Use the link in the description to go directly to Sora's sign-up page. Here's an important detail. If you already have a ChatGPT account on your device, make sure the email address you use for Sora is the same as your ChatGPT email. Once you're inside Sora, you'll see the sign-up screen. Here you need to enter a username. It must be at least 3 letters long. Keep in mind, this feature is only active for the United States, so you'll need to use a VPN and set your location to the US. I'll share the exact VPN I'm using in the Telegram channel as well. It's very user-friendly and you'll be able to follow along step by step without any issues. When you choose your username, remember it must be at least 3 letters long. For this tutorial, I'll call mine Likes Idea. Next, we'll see a window with 2 options. One lets you use the old version, the other asks you to enter a 6-digit code. For now, I'm clicking on the old version, and that takes me into the main Sora dashboard. As you can see, here are some sample videos created by earlier users. Pretty impressive, right? But if you want to use the free version, look to the right side where it says Join New Sora. Make sure your VPN is set to the United States, then type in the 6-digit code and hit Join New Sora. Immediately, you'll be inside your own dashboard, ready to explore Sora's amazing features, including video generation. I'll also be gifting 4 codes to some of you, so stay tuned for that. For everyone else, you'll need to join the official AI Discord server. Don't worry, if you don't already have Discord, I've included the download link right in the description. And this is the version you'll see after creating your account. Now pay close attention here. You'll notice a tab called Discover. Click on it and a new window opens. At the top, there's a search bar. Simply type in OpenAI and hit Enter. The one with the green checkmark is the official OpenAI server. Click on it and add it to your list. But here's the catch. At first, you won't see everything right away. Before the hashtags appear, you need to verify your account. Just follow the steps shown at the top. It only takes about 30 seconds for verification to complete. Once your account is verified, all of these hashtags will show up. From there, click on Server 2, then click on Discuss Server 2, and you'll see the chat window. This is where people post codes. You can copy those codes and paste them back into your account. But here's something important. Each code can only be used by 4 people. That means you need to act fast. As soon as a new code appears, copy it immediately and enter it. It might seem a little tricky at first, but if you're quick, you'll definitely make it work. And trust me, it's worth it. You'll also see people who already unlocked their accounts sharing their invite codes here, so keep an eye out. Before we jump into the next section, where I'll show you how to get the best results out of this amazing AI tool, please take a second to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. That way I know this video was helpful and it gives me the energy to keep making more for you. Let me share a little trick that will make your workflow much faster. Here's what you do. Shrink your window, then grab your Discord app, tab from the top, and snap it to the right side of your screen. That way, you'll have both windows open side by side, your Sora account on one side and Discord on the other. Now, whenever you need to enter a code, it's super quick. Just copy the code from Discord and paste it straight into Sora. You can even use simple shortcuts like Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. If the code you tried has already been used by 4 people, don't worry. Just grab another one and try again. All right, now let's move on and dive into the actual AI magic of Sora. So this is the Sora homepage. Here you can create animations, produce full videos, and the best part is there are no limits at all. Just like I showed you, I activated my free account, and you can do the same. Now let's take a quick look at the profile section. You'll see my profile picture here and notice that I currently have 1 follower. That's actually the person whose code I used. When you click on Settings and then Invite Friend, you'll see your own unique code. Each code can be used by 4 people, and that's exactly what I'll be giving away in my draw. 4 of you will get the chance to activate your own free account with no hassle. Back on the main page, you'll notice tons of videos in amazing quality. What's even better is you can also add sound effects directly into your projects. Sora can even handle lip syncing for you. To make things easier, I've prepared a special prompt that you can use. I'll be posting it in the Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Just copy and paste it into Sora, and it will generate a video of a content creator inside a studio saying the line I wrote in the prompt. Here I'm clicking on this button. This is where you can choose the format of your video. Portrait is great for TikTok and Instagram, while landscape is perfect for YouTube. I'm selecting landscape, and as you can see at the top, my video has started generating. To check the progress, just look at the small ring around your profile icon. Click on it, and it will take you to the Drafts section. Here you can see that my video is currently being built. It usually takes about a minute, so let's wait. Alright, the video is finished. It only took about a minute. But before I show you the result, here's an important note. Creating your free account is not difficult at all. The main challenge is just being quick when the codes appear on Discord because many people are trying to grab them at the same time. If you follow the steps in this video carefully and act fast, you'll have no problem. And remember, I'll be giving away 4 codes through a draw. In 24 hours, I'll announce the winners in my Telegram channel, and those lucky ones will be able to activate their accounts instantly. So don't forget, like this video and leave me a comment to join the giveaway. In 24 hours, we'll do the draw for the codes, and now let's take a look at the final result of the video we just created.
Hello friends, welcome to AI Magic Motion YouTube channel. Subscribe now and start learning AI right here.
Hello friends, welcome to the iMagic Motion YouTube channel. Subscribe now and start learning AI right here.